Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to the Wild Classroom with Aruj Fatima. I am so happy you are here because today we are going to talk about something very important for anyone interested in fish farming, shrimp farming or any type of aquaculture. So whether you are a beginner or already running a farm, this lecture will guide you step by step. So let's begin. Today's topic is essential gears for aquaculture. So now what do we mean by gears? We mean the equipment, the tools, the technology that you need to make your aquaculture farm successful, safe and profitable. So please stay with me till the end. Now we will discuss about different tools that are essential to check our water. The first one is pH meter. This tool tells you if your water is acidic or alkaline. As you know, ideal pH is between 6.5 to 8.5. I already mentioned in my previous lecture on aquaculture, so must watch. If it goes above or below this range, your fish can become stressed. And the second most important tool is dissolved oxygen meter, DO meter. As you know, fish need oxygen to breathe like us. So this tool shows how much oxygen is in your water. So if oxygen is low, your fish will float to the top or die suddenly. Third tool is thermometer. Fish are cold-blooded, so water temperature affects how they eat, grow and live. So every species has a preferred temperature range. Fourth tool is ammonia test kit. So waste from fish turns into ammonia, which is toxic. So if ammonia is high, your fish will die. So this test kit tells you when to change water. Fifth tool is TDS or salinity meter. TDS means total dissolved solids. So for salt water or brackish water species like shrimps, salinity is important. So this tool tells us the salt content. So checking water every day can save your farm. Students, next important system is aeration systems. So what is aeration? It means adding oxygen to the water. When you have many fish or shrimp in one pond or tank, the oxygen gets used up. If there is not enough oxygen, your fish will suffer. So here are the main tools for aeration. The first tool is paddle wheel aerator. This machine sides in the pond and spins to mix air into the water. Then second aerator system is air blowers with stones. So these are common in tanks or RAS systems. RAS, as you know, recirculating aquaculture systems. So these sends bubbles into the water to increase oxygen. Then third aerator system is Venturi injectors, a more advanced system used in hatcheries and tanks. So in this, water and air mix under pressure to create fine bubbles. So let's discuss about feeding equipment also. So feeding is the biggest cost in aquaculture, so you must feed smartly. The first feeding equipment is feeding trays. So place these trays in different parts of your pond or tank to see how much feed is eaten. So if fish leave food, reduce feeding. And second equipment is automatic feeders. So these machines drop feed at regular times. They save labor and feed evenly. Feed storage bins. Your feed must stay dry and clean. So use sealed bins to protect it from insects and moisture. So wasted feed becomes pollution. Good feeding tools protect your investment. So you should use feeding equipments. Students, harvesting and handling gears are also very important in aquaculture. When fish are grown, it's time to harvest, but harvesting can stress or injure them. So here are the gears to harvest properly. The first is soft mesh nets. So these nets won't damage fish scales or fins. The second is grading trays. So these help you sort fish by size before selling. The third one is weighing scale. So accurate weight means accurate profit. So always weigh in front of the buyer. The fourth and most important is ice boxes or live transport tanks. So if you are selling fresh fish, these keep your fish cool and alive. So handle fish gently to keep quality high. Now students, let's talk about something most beginners ignore. Yes, biosecurity. So disease can destroy a farm overnight. You must protect your fish from viruses, bacteria and parasites. So in this, important gears includes footpaths with disinfectants. So before entering your farm, clean your shoes. Then second gear is gloves and aprons, so prevent spreading disease between tanks or ponds. Third and most important is disinfection sprays for net and buckets. Then fourth is quarantine tanks. Keep new fish separate for 10 to 14 days to watch for illness. So a clean farm is a successful farm. Now let's talk about tools for ROS systems. So if you are using recirculating aquaculture system, you will need some advanced tools like mechanical filters, biofilters and UV sterilizers and backup generators. Then the mechanical filters remove solid waste like fish poop, and biofilters convert harmful ammonia into safe nitrate. And if we talk about UV sterilizer, they kills bacteria and viruses in water. And backup generator, power failure is equal to fish die, so always have a backup. Students, ROS is a powerful but needs careful management. These tools may look simple, but they make the difference between success and failure. So monitor your water, keep oxygen levels high, feed smart, harvest gently and prevent disease. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. If you have questions, leave them in the comment. I will personally answer. So thank you so much for watching. May your farm be successful.